ePayPolicy integrates with Loro's online insurance platform to make your payment processing seamless. It's really as easy as 1, 2, 3. In your Loro portal, you will navigate to the Payments tab in the back office. From there, toggle the ePayPolicy button, enter the API credentials from your ePay dashboard, and you're connected. Now, your clients will be able to pay their due invoices in real time with any major credit card or ACH. You can either send your clients a link to pay, or they can get a quote online and decide to purchase on the spot. They will be given the option to pay the policy through your ePayPolicy payment page. The personal information and amount of the policy will already be filled out. The client will only need to input their payment details to send the payment. Both you and the payer will receive an e-receipt displaying the amount paid. This information will also be accessible within the ePayPolicy dashboard and in the Loro portal as well. As you can see, the integration really does streamline your receivables. Trust me, your accounting team will love this. Contact us to learn more about the Loro integration today.